Ah, the internet. It's great. Except when it gets all high school. People get nasty. Ugh. Friends gossip about each other. Bullies do their bullying. Makes you want to hand out detentions for acting like a cyber jerk. Here's another approach. Let's use our collective voices to cheer someone on, instead of tearing them down, and drown out all that offensive, rude, and ugly online behavior, and replace it with respect. Join the Respect Challenge now and make a bunch of GIFs and memes that promote positive and respectful behavior online with hashtag #GIFRespect. Be creative, get silly, and most of all, have fun. Post your GIFs on Twitter, Instagram, or Vine, and you could win a $100 Macy's gift card and a chance to have your GIF featured in the Rifsy GIF keyboard. Time to stop spreading the hate and spread the love. Keep it positive. Keep it fun. Give some respect now. How will you give respect?